First of all, we're going to look at the number. As I said before, forget about the multiplier at this moment, okay? Copy down the number. I have 2,348.97, okay, times 10 to 0. Remember, I'm talking only about the number. I don't care right now about this multiplier, okay? So, the definition says, scientific notation is supposed to have number on the left side of the decimal point between 1 and 9. That's why I have to move my decimal point 1, 2, 3 times. So I have 2.348997 times 10. I move my decimal point 3 times to left. That's why I'm going to have 3. Why 3? Because my number got smaller. Anytime number gets smaller, exponent has to get bigger. I start from 0 and I went 3 places up. That's why I have 3 over here. Next, you have to take the original multiplier and multiply by whatever you obtain. Remember, anytime we multiply numbers with the same base, we have to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have 2.34897 times 10. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay? Depends up to how many decimal places you want to round your number. You can have your answer with 1 decimal place, 2 decimal, 3, and so on, so on. I gave you the full number. This is the solution to my problem.